Good morning, first grade. Hope everybody is doing well. Today is Thursday, February 18th, 2021. It is the 110th day of school, so I was able to trade in all of our coins for one coin, which is worth 10 cents, which is called, yeah, that's right, a dime. Very good. Your special today is library since it is day 3 and your special is at 12:05. So if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go over the schedule. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. All right, so coming out first thing this morning, you will see the math application problem for lesson 24. There is a deep dive lesson, and then there is another wit and wisdom lesson. And this wit and wisdom lesson focuses on two different parts. So it is a little bit longer, so I apologize. Feel free to pause it and take a break in between the two parts. They're about equal time, so if you wanted to take a little shake break halfway through, feel free, whatever works best for you. And then the fourth thing would be the kids A to Z practice spelling activity. In the activity, I've included the teacher username if you needed to search for our class. I put everyone in our class, so you should be able to log in with the same username and password. And my teacher username is cnorris33. If you have any questions or trouble with that, please let me know. And you can just choose one activity. You'll see several options, so just pick whatever works, whichever activity you would like. And I know last week there was some trouble with the kids A to Z loading, and the app just it wouldn't open up all the way. So if you have any trouble, feel free just to practice your words, take a practice spelling test on plain paper. That is totally fine. And you're welcome to do that anytime if you would like, instead of doing the iPad, if you'd like a little break from the Kids A to Z app, but it's up to you, whatever works best. But let me know if you have any trouble, okay, with that. All right, then we will meet at 10 for math. If you could just bring your normal materials, workbooks, dry erase board, and marker. And there is not a sprint today, just to let you know. Then we will meet we'll have math, and then we'll meet for social studies today since it's Thursday. And for social studies, if you could please just bring this puzzle piece that now yours may look different, but this puzzle piece that was in the most recent supply box, okay? And then this is actually part of a whole school project where they're going to put all the puzzle pieces together to create a piece of art in the hallway. So when you're finished, now I'll explain the directions of what to do with it during our social studies class, but if you would be able to drop it back off at school, or if you had someone you could send it in with, like if you had a neighbor or a friend that could bring this in, and if you would just let them know it was from Mrs. Norris's class, and then we could make sure to hang it with all the others when Mrs. Croft kind of puts all that together. All right, so that is the plan for the morning, and then we will meet again at 1. We do have word building one more day this week, and if you could please bring these letters, ACH, IOP, RT, and then the CH and the TCH, and a blank dictation paper, that would be great. And I think that will do it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. The joke for today is, when is a blue book not a blue book? So I'll give you the answer at 10. Let me know if you need anything or have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.